Good morning guys! Today is Sunday. We're gonna go to church and then after that, we're gonna do grocery. Papunta pala dito or papadating dito yung mga dad ni Austin. Makikitulog sila sa amin dahil nga dun sa wedding. So we have to prepare. We actually did yard work yesterday the whole day. So super pagod namin guys. Parang, is it like 9:30 that we like finish?
Yeah, because we took a break during the middle of the day because it was
hot.
like 100 degrees. So we
Yeah.
started in the morning, took a break, came back at night when we had shade.
Like about 7:30 to
Yeah.
9:30. So super nakakapagod guys. Yung last owner kasi nung bahay is hindi na din masyado naasikaso nga yung yard. Siguro busy nga din. So yun, yung concrete is nalagyan na din siya ng buhangin tapos meron na din siyang mga grass. So we had to do the edger. Is it edger?
Yeah, the edge.
So ayun, kailangan ni Austin mag-edge and then after that, kailangan namin pulutin yung mga damo at saka yung buhangin. Tapos nilalagay namin siya dun sa aming yard nga din para at least ma-flatten siya. Tapos yung iba naman is nilalagay na lang namin sa trash. At napuno namin guys yung 2 trash can sa aming bahay. Dahil nga yung mga nag-mow din kami, tapos ayun nga mga buhangin ang dami. Ngayon nga is mag-grocery tayo. Magpupunta kami sa Costco, siguro sa Walmart din or H-E-B. And then after that, we have to clean up our house. Ang loob ng bahay, kailangan namin mag-install ng blackout curtains dun sa aming guest room dahil medyo maliwanag din doon. And we want them to be comfortable. Laundry ko na naman yung mga bed sheets. Kahit walang natutulog doon, nilaundry ko pa din just in case. And then, balak din namin bumili ng light blanket doon sa guest room na yon dahil nga yung blanket na nando doon is yung blanket na ginagamit namin tuwing winter. So, medyo heavy siya at ngayon naman is hindi pa ganun kalamig. At saka yung sa room na yun, for some reason, yung sa room na yun at saka dun sa aking office area is yun yung dalawa na hindi masyado malamig. Pero yung aming master's bedroom at saka yung office ni Austin is malamig naman. So, ayun, siguro bibili na din kami ng light blanket para dun sa guest bedroom. I still have to clean yung bathroom din, yung guest bathroom namin. Dahil hindi din nga namin nagagamit yung shower doon. So, kailangan ko siyang linisin. Si Austin naman is magpapaligo siya ng mga dogs. Are we gonna clean just the dog bed instead of buying new ones?
Yeah, we were supposed to do that this morning though.
I know. No, we should be fine after. Because it's still like hot up to like 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Hitting all the red lights.
Actually, I was doing pretty good until just now.
Yeah. So, yun guys, medyo busy tayo today, but we will try to film as much dahil, ayun, excited na din kami. They're gonna be here for 2 weeks. Your parents gonna be here for 2 weeks. So, we have to think about something that we can do while they're here dahil first time nila na makapunta dito sa city namin. So, ayun, sabi naman namin wala masyado ding mapupuntahan dito, but yeah, we'll still have to like check something. Maybe punta kami sa Labig or somewhere para makagala din sila.
Red light.
Where? 27. What is right now? Beans for pancit. only $1. Which one is good? This is $1. So we're returning this one because this one's $4. This one? Oh, it's not. Oh. They don't look the same though.
This is Italian parsley.
Oh.
Or, yeah, this is Italian parsley.
You like that
Or do
one
you
better?
like that one?
I think I like this one better.
Okay.
It looks more green. How much is that?
I don't know. It's like less than $1.
Gonna get this one too. Gonna get strawberries. Let's see if we can better. This one looks good. Some grapes. Some strawberries too. This one? So we are now heading to Costco. Nakapamili na pala kami sa Walmart but then hindi pa siya kompleto. Meron pa kaming mga kailangang bilhin sa Costco. And then after that, maybe we're gonna go sa H-E-B as well. Dahil sa Walmart is hindi pa sila nakakapag-stock ng mga meats. So, hindi kami nakabili ng pang-barbecue sana and then ng ground pork. Wala sila doon. Ground beef lang yung nabili namin. So, siguro bibili kami sa H-E-B noon. Dahil yung nasa mga Costco is medyo madami siya. But we're also planning to go to the Filipino store sa kabilang city. So, we'll still have to see. Because Austin wants the brown or the biko, which is like the sticky rice. So, we'll have to see if meron sila nun. Hopefully, meron sila nun dahil actually masarap silang magawa. And nakalimutan naming mag-order sana para mapatry din dun sa aking mga biyanan. But we're gonna check today if meron sila. If meron, siguro bibili ako para bukas, pagdating nila is mapatry ko din sa kanila. Red light. We're almost to Costco. I'm still trying to figure it out dito, guys. Ayan, bumili ako nito. But then, super haba ng aking camera, so hindi siya ma-flip. So we'll still have to figure this one out. Para sana, hindi ko na kayo hahawakan at naka-standby lang kayo dyan. We're heading to Costco. Line. Oh my god. Yeah, I want this one, babe. It's $10. 10 minutes. Oh, these are the mixed nuts. No, I think I like that one. It has fruits, that one. Cashews. Waffles. Another one. we're buying another ice cream maker for my sister-in-law dahil nag-birthday siya last Tuesday.
Birthday/wedding.
Yeah,
Same.
wedding and slash birthday. So this is gonna be our gift. So they have this one for $240. Is this worth it? Let me know. So, like this. I saw like Dyson. The Air one. So they have my camera here for $729. That's actually expensive. I only got mine for $399 sa Sam's Club. Yeah, $799. $520. Expensive pa. GoPro. Ayan, ang gaganda. It's so mahal. Too sparkly. I like that simple one. See, they have Seiko.
They got Citizen too.
Huh?
They have Citizen too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, their Seiko is cheap here. That's not bad.
That one looks pretty good.
That one has leather. Where's Citizen? Oh, this one.
Right there.
How much is it?
$289.
We got robbed again by Costco. Always. So we're just gonna go ahead and fill up gas here dahil mura dito. Dahil ito din car na to yung gagamitin nung ang mom and dad ni Austin pag pumunta sila dito. So might as well fill this up para hindi na nila kailangan mag-gas. So we're gonna go sa kabilang city para pumunta sa Filipino store dahil magtitingin kami if meron pa sila dong tindang sticky rice or yung biko. Hi guys! So kakapala namin sa Filipino store and meron silang biko. So nakabili kami ng biko. Meron din silang suman doon. So nakabili din ako noon. Iniisip ko lang yung suman like I think yesterday and then ngayon meron din pala silang tindang ganon. So bumili din kami. Bili kami ng mga pang sinigang seasoning dahil balak din naming maggawa ng sinigang while yung family nga ni Austin is nandito. Now we're gonna be heading sa bahay ng kapatid ni Austin to check if meron sila dong folding table at saka folding chairs dahil alam nyo naman wala kaming dining table, so we have to have something to sit pag nandito yung parents ni Austin para meron din kaming makainan dahil yung kinakainan namin ngayon ni Austin is doon lang sa aming kitchen counter lang, tapos yung aming bar stool nga, at we only have like 2 chairs, so we will have to buy 2 more chairs. And sabi ni Austin, ayun nga, bumili na lang kami ng folding table at saka folding chairs. Kaso naisip namin na baka pala meron yung kapatid ni Austin dahil hindi din naman namin siya gagamitin once they leave. Kalang pag meron mga bisita ganon. Dahil wala nga din kaming space na doon sa aming dining area dahil nandoon yung mga dog beds. So yeah, hopefully meron sila doon para hindi na namin kailangang bumili. We're hoping na meron yung kapatid ni Austin. That way we don't have to buy. We're heading there, and then after that, pupunta muna kami sa bahay. Hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina sa Filipino store dahil sumakit yung tiyan ko at hindi ako magkaintindihan. So, madali lang kami doon. Hindi na kami masyado nakapagtingin-tingin. At wala din pala sila dong lumpia wrapper. So, we're gonna go mamaya sa Asian store dito sa aming city dahil meron kaming Asian store na pinagbibilhan dito ng wrapper para sa siomai, and then hopefully meron din sila for lumpia. We are so tired. We are so sleepy. But ang dami namin kailangan gawin ngayon. Kailangan pa namin magpaligo ng mga aso. Kailangan namin maglaba or maglaba ng kanilang dog beds. Ayaw naman namin ipasok sa aming washer yung mga dog beds dahil nga ng mga dog hair din. So, we're gonna try to wash it outside. Tapos, i-air dry na lang namin siya dahil mainit naman. Hopefully, matuyo din siya kagad. Mag-prep ng mga lulutuin namin for the next few days. Dahil bala ko magawa din ng siomai, bala ko magawa ng lumpia. So, yun yung mga matatrabaho din. And then, magagawa din ako ng pansit siguro sa Tuesday. Dahil ang dating nila dito is Monday night. So, hindi na din sila masyadong makakakain that time. Pagkasundo namin sa kanila is magpa-pass out na daw sila at matutulog na lang. So, hindi na ako magluluto for tomorrow para sa kanila. So, sa Tuesday na lang. And then, bala ko ding maggawa ng barbecue, ng ating Filipino barbecue. So, that's our plan. And then, the next few days, we'll see if ano ba ang mga maluluto pa natin. Oh, goodness. This one is for $25. Mala pumpkin. This one is cute though. This one's $15.